Hey, what's up guys? Finally I have got my hands on Mi Band 5, which is a successor to hugely popular Mi Band 4. It sold like crazy all around the world, and now we've got Mi Band 5 with quite a lot of improvements. And the box here is quite dinged up. I really hope that the device inside is alright, but we will see. Let's go through the specifications first quickly. So we have multi-sport modes tracking, magnetic charging, and then we have got all-day sleep tracking, 14-day battery life, and here we have got 1.1-inch colorful screen. So we have got a larger screen size this time as compared to Mi Band 4, which had 0.95 inches screen size. So that's a plus definitely. We've got same water resistance, 50 meters, and we have got heart rate and stress monitoring, and something new, female physiological cycle recording. So now you have that as well. Here magnetic charging is also new mode of charging as compared to Mi Band 4. In Mi Band 4 you actually had to pull out the device from the band in order to charge it. Now you can just charge it while the device is inside the band, and I've got Mi Band 4 here with me, so I will be comparing it at the end of the video with Mi Band 5. So if you stick till then, you will see the hardware comparison, because the detailed comparison I will do in another video. Anyways, let's unbox Mi Band 5 and see what's inside here. So I guess this is the charger, and then we have the band itself. I'll put that aside and see if there's anything else inside the box. Okay, we have a manual, quite a thick one, user manual. All we need is the band itself as well as the charger. So let's open this one up. So there we go, that's the band, and it has got a bigger screen, 1.1-inch screen as compared to 0.95-inch on Mi Band 4. Looks quite similar, but it's not exactly the same. Okay, obviously I have to pair it as well with my phone, which I will do now, but let's take a look at the charger quickly first. So this is the charger, and if I can take this off. So this is the charger, and now you can actually just connect it here like this and charge the band. So there you go guys, all set up and connected to the Mi Fit app on my phone. And right off the bat you notice a bigger screen here and bigger icons, and everything is easy to read. Now there are quite a few changes here on this band as compared to Mi Band 4. Here and there are quite a few different improvements, I would say, on top of Mi Band 4, and I will talk about them in a detailed comparison between Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 5. Right now let's go through some of the settings here. So if we go in more, we have do not disturb, alarm, camera, music control, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, world clock, band display, settings, and then we go on to the workout. And now we have 11 workouts that we can track as compared to the 7 on Mi Band 4, I guess. Let's go in here. So we have outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga, jump rope, pool swimming, freestyle. And yeah, that's it. And if we go up, we've got weather, we've got events. We go in here, so I believe this is something to do with the calendar. Then we have breathing here, and relax yourself in a guided breathing exercise. Okay, and then we've got stress here, breathing, stress. I thought that was just one thing, but anyways, we've got two different things here, breathing and stress. We've got notifications, so here you can go through your notifications. We've got heart rate, I'll have to wear it. PAI, so this actually can be calculated by automatic heart rate monitoring for 1 minute. So we have that. Status, let's go in status. We have our stats for the day, distance, calories, idle alerts, and today, yesterday, Sunday, Saturday, and I think it shows you the entire summary of the week, which is nice. And then we are back to the watch face. So swipe right, notifications, swipe left, weather. So I think you can change these shortcuts by swiping right or left. So that's the band, Mi Band 5, and I'm actually really liking it, specifically the larger screen, because it's easy to read now. There are larger icons now. It's much more eye friendly, I would say. And this is Mi Band 4. So here you can see the screen sizes. Definitely bigger screen, 1.1 inch versus 1.1 inch versus 0.95. And side by side you can see that Mi Band 5 is thinner as compared to Mi Band 4, quite a bit thinner actually. They have definitely shaved off some thickness here and looks similar, but obviously it's taller as compared to Mi Band 4 now. And other than that, everything else seems to be quite same. We have the same rubber band and same look. When we look at the back on Mi Band 5, Xiaomi says that the heart rate tracker on Mi Band 5 is much more accurate as compared to Mi Band 4. So we will see about that. So there is that. And then here I would like to tell you about the charging difference between these two bands. So Mi Band 5, this is the Mi Band 5 charger, and this is how you charge it. You just connect this magnetic charger here and it connects, and then this goes into the charger and you are good to go. You don't have to take out the device out of the band on Mi Band 5, and it's easy to do. There you go. And it's a strong connection actually, I like it. On Mi Band 4, you don't have that option. You do have the connectors, but the way to charge it is totally different. You have to take the device out, and then this is the charger for Mi Band 4. You have to put it in here, and then this goes into the charger. Both connects and both charges. Mi Band 4 has 20-day battery life, and Mi Band 5 here also has 20-day battery life. But if you have the NFC version, which I think I have NFC version here, this is the global version. I don't know if it has NFC or not, but if you have NFC version, then that will have a 14-day battery life. Anyways guys, that's about it from this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments so I can cover them in my upcoming Mi Band 5 videos and Mi Band 5 versus Mi Band 4 video. If you want to know about any thing specific, let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to cover it in my upcoming videos, or I can just answer you in the comments. And that's about it from this video guys. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.